Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change folder grid in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First, understand that what is folder grid. Okay, and now go to the home screen, and this is the home screen. Okay, see if there is any folder. So see here, here I have one folder Google. Okay, if you click on it, you will see the apps. What are all the apps available in this grid? Okay, so here grid position is like 3 1 2 3 3 column and 4 rows. 1 2 3 4. Okay, vertically 3 columns are available. Okay, 1 2 3, and horizontally 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is called 3x4 grid. Okay, if you would like to change this grid, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here, and then go to home screen, and here you will find a folder grid. Just click on it, and only one other option is available. Just select it, 4x4. Now see the changes. Go to the same folder, Google. See here, now it comes to 4 column. Okay, so the column is changed from 3 to 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, then horizontally 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4x4 is selected, so it is displaying that 4x4 available in the folder grid. Okay, you can choose, you can check it in the any folder. Okay, if you have any other folder also you can check. Okay, see here, I have another folder too. Here, click it, only 4 apps available, so they have placed like 4x4 grid. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1, and others are empty because apps are not available. Okay, if 16 apps are available, they will be occupying all the vacant in the grid. Okay, friends, you will understand now. You can understand easily what is folder grid and how to change it. Okay, if you would like to change back to default folder grid, yes, you can again go to the settings, then go to home screen, then go to folder grid and change it to 3x4. Okay, so in this way you can easily change folder grid in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.